Welcome back to a new vlog. At the moment we are under the S3 because I'm putting these bad boys back on because at the weekend we're going to Santa Pod, so maximum airflow, and that's one of the modifications I forgot I've done in that last 1 year of mod. But yeah, always some mod we forget about. But yeah, I'm putting this back on. Very excited. Sunday, Santa Pod. Let's hope everything go well, and let's hope we beat our personal time on the S3. We're done. A bit damaged here. Scrappy. But at least, you know, slightly better aerodynamic, plus it's better to have this rod for like going into puddles and stuff. Alright, a little preview of what's been going on. Rob has started on the side for the diffuser, so here they are. So here that will be, for example, your passenger side, the flat bit, and this is to follow the line in the bumper, and basically this is where the rest of the diffuser is, and this is where they will join. So you know, the side will be, I don't know, it'll be better, you know, the side will be a bit more beefy, like the rest of the diffuser, and you won't have that bit of bumper curving back in. Through here all you'll see is exhaust wheel. So yeah, normally episode should come this week, maybe, I don't know. Going to Santa Pod this weekend, so you know, we will see how the time goes. And the battery of that light just stopped. Anyway, see you in the next clip, of course. Hey guys, another day at the garage. As you can see, I'm wearing my Shine Automotive merch. Very cool channel, go check them out. You can check out Viking Views as well, and I've got merch coming for them because I love those guys too, they know that. But their merch is not getting delivered as quickly as Shine Automotive. Anyway, let me show you what I came here to do. So basically, I want to take the titanium pipe and redo the end bit again. It's a bit inconsistent, and when we place it here, we have like titanium dust, and when we colored it, you can see the sparkle and stuff. And yeah, I've built a contraption that should be able to rotate the pipe as we heat it up. So I'm basically going to take that off and bring it back home, clean it up, and try to color it myself. Plus, I haven't had a go at the coloring, which I wanted to do. See, now we've got a little advertisement going on, because obviously everybody's looking at the rear of the car now. But yeah, and I've got the stainless pipe with me, so I can always put it back on. But yeah, let's do that. And here we go, job done. Very quick to do with the V-bend, obviously. And now I can bring this one, and I think I'm going to clean it up all the way and basically focus in trying to get the end bit colored. Because the non-visible bit, you know, you don't care whether it's colored or not, and as long as you know, it's mostly the end bit. And while we're here, what I wanted to do is actually weigh the stock cat box. Because if you've seen our titanium pipe episode where we finish up the exhaust some more, we basically weighed everything apart from the cat box. So the whole new exhaust system is 6 kilograms. With the titanium pipe it's 6.8. And yeah, so we need to weigh that. If you leave it all, I'm shaking, but about 18 kilograms. That's where I'm at with the pipe. I mean, cannot see very well. But based on that, I've noticed you had the light flickering because of the CFL light. So today arrived a LED light that can fit in there and that won't generate flicker. So, because that's been bugging me in the videos we've done in here. The light was nice and powerful, but you get that flicker on, None of you guys complain, but it is annoying. And to improve a bit quality as well, GoPro 8, I've got a media mode coming tomorrow, which I'll show you as well, on a new handle, which is not bright on yellow and can turn into a tripod. I just thought, might as well get an extra before we actually go to Centapod, because I'm going to have there'll be 3 of us, so that way, it's more cameras to go along and try to capture some of the other cars and stuff like that. Anyway, I'm going to put this on and then switch to that camera, and then we can, start testing those things. Here we go, here I'm still on the phone, but we'll be able to tell the difference from a light point of view. Here on the phone I seems to be getting some flicker though. This is a bit annoying. Okay, so see, this LED light, no flicker. I don't know, maybe I just get a bunch of those. But anyway, progress on the pipe. So that was rough sanding. This portion here is 2005, up to 3000 grade sanding, and here at the top is started to polish. I'm going to do the whole pipe, but until I get the end bit colored right, there's not much point, and to some extent, I might just do from the weld here up, because all of that is under the car is going to get manky anyway, so it's literally just because you are going to trim the diffuser, the pipe will show up more than it does already because it pop out a bit, so it's this section that is really important to get right. Anyway, I'll keep going on the next clip. We should be, well, I'm using the contraption, but I'll put it back in place, and yeah, next clip we should be able to try coloring that in a better way. Okay, so my contraption over there doesn't quite work. It kind of got too unbalanced, but I cooled all the bottom, and then still keep it rotating and on there, if you know what I mean. And then with the other end use the blowtorch. So I'm going to use a tripod functionality over a new handle, and I'm going to put you guys there, and yeah, we're going to give that a go. All right. Looking good. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. It's a bit annoying because it's actually hard to tell, but if you look more in the sunlight, after the polishing and all that jazz could have been better, but yeah, at least you know it's more consistent gradient. Apart from a little bit of darkening at this level, which is more hidden, you mostly see that. But you get a nice golden, purple, blue, this touch of white, then go back to purple, and then blue, and then finish with white at the end. Alright, final result. I like it. See, at least the hand bit is quite multicolor. Some purple, golden, white, blue, purple, blue. It's still multi-color line and a nice gradient. Alright, at the garage again on let's try this setup. GoPro 8 with a media mode and a GoPro mount tripod handle. Let's see if the sound is any better. I'll probably do a video comparison with the two we have, and yeah, I mean in theory it should be better, but still be interesting to see how much better it is. Well, you can't really see what the footage looks like from the GoPro 8 with media stuff, because when I try to currently editing the vlog, basically that all footage is gone. 40 minutes worth of recordings that was planned for this, me putting the titanium back on, showing you the titanium on and all that jazz, but yeah, gone. Other smaller videos I've done this evening are there. The long one that, you know, would have mattered the most, nope. So, you know, sorry about that, but don't worry. The diffuser is getting touched up. Normally, tomorrow I think Rob is coming. So, you know, you'll have plenty of opportunity to review the pipe actually on with the diffuser on. This should be the last part of actually building the diffuser. So after that, we can actually have a full review on all that jazz. Anyway, not a good start for the GoPro 8. Yeah, not a good start.